how
two,
are you?
three.
मैंने बोला
Hi, I am good. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for coming to my show and be the first opener of my show. So grateful, Upasna.
Yes, I am grateful about it, and I'm very stuffed about it. That what are we going to talk and how are we going to talk? I'm very excited and nervous कि तुम मेरा काफी secrets YouTube में spill करने वाले हो. But anyway, how are you? Like, how are you keeping up in the lockdown?
How I am looking? Am I gone fat or thin? मोटी हो गई तो पतली
Look
लग
the same. पता नहीं मेरे को. वैसे लग रही है मेरे को जैसे लगती आ रही है.
कुछ चेंजेस नहीं दिख रहा है. So what about this pandemic? How you're dealing this? तू बोर नहीं हो गई? Because you are not in a house person, right? तुमको तो घूमना
Not a house. I'm not a house person at all, पर अभी बोर भी हो गया. What to do? I put up makeup like 4 महीने के बाद तेरे लिए. I have put up makeup and I'm very like I like the way I'm looking right now. Other than that, pandemic में तो भाई I'm bored. Oh, what about you? How are you keeping sane?
I didn't get much bored because of my college. और फिर अभी तो वापस college start हो गया है. 11 to 6 lectures, then this talk show, and I'm working for one internship also. So I'm not getting much bored. I got a lot of work. Sometimes my head is paining. इतना काम अभी बंद करके सो जाओ.
Yeah, मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं कि काम नहीं है, but फिर बोर अपनी जगह और काम अपनी जगह ऐसा I think.
At least you don't have to go somewhere. You're also working for some internship for graphic designing, right? But you are not
Yes, I
college
am.
and all. I have college, so मतलब particular schedule मेरा fix है कि 11 to 6 मेरे lectures and I have to attend them. So what about interior design?
Other than getting
What?
Yeah, interior. I was just saying that other than getting bored, I'm like doing a lot of art and craft thing जो मैं बनाते रहती हूँ, बनाने से ज़्यादा खराब करती हूँ. But ठीक है, that
At
is
least you are trying and
way of it is what it is.
अपना अपना अच्छा creative side बाहर लेके आ रही है तू, right?
बिल्कुल. जो मैंने इतने दिनों से like पूरा कॉलेज में मैंने नहीं किया, वो मैं अभी कर रही हूँ. Like I'm sketching a lot and like ऐसे मुझे लग रहा है काश मैंने कॉलेज में क्या होता है, it would have earned me good marks.
college में also you did a lot of nice projects, right? I remember that transgender one. मुझे invite भी किया था.
Right.
Portfolio, right? तो बताओ.
Right. Thank you for coming
Amazing
to my
project. I
portfolio.
really
Taking me,
hear about that. Please, Upasana, बताओ.
yeah, sure. मतलब I would just say कि thank you for coming to my portfolio. Like बहुत मेहनत करके तुम आए थे वहाँ पे और it was very overwhelming for me to see my friends at my portfolio. So okay, so about the project, it was so basically my college is of 4 years, and in the 4th year we have to do kind of a thesis kind of a project. So in that it was like to choose a topic और फिर उसकी depth में research करके and to figure out कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं उसके ऊपर. तो हमने मैंने transgenders के ऊपर
आया
किया
किसी
था
दिमाग
because
में कि तुम्हें ट्रांसजेंडर के लिए ही कुछ प्रोजेक्ट करना है? व्हाई नथिंग? क्योंकि मैंने वहां पे देखा था काफी बच्चों ने काफी कुछ अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स किए थे, बट योर्स इज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माय. और मैं देख के इतनी खुश हो गई थी. मुझे इतना प्राउड फील हुआ. हैश प्राउड फ्रेंड. हमेशा प्राउड फील कराती है कहीं ना कहीं. एंड इवन योर दैट फिल्टर, उपासना, विल डिस्कस ऑन लेटर गाइस, but let's discuss about this one first, transgender.
okay, so we'll come to the filter part later maybe. So the thing is कि मुझे कॉलेज जाने के लिए मैं ट्रेन से जाती हूँ. तो फिर ट्रेन में मैंने देखा काफी टाइम मैंने देखा है, नॉट ओनली ट्रेन में या कहीं पे भी देखा, बट मेरे आइडिया दिमाग में आया कि जो है ट्रेन में ट्रांसजेंडर जो होते हैं तो जनरली नीचे बैठते हैं या लोग उनको अच्छा नहीं मानते. तो मतलब इट इज नॉट उनकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इट इज लाइक मेल है, फीमेल है, एंड देन देयर इज दिस थर्ड जेंडर, दैट इज देयर चॉइस. तो मतलब हमने उनकी चॉइस को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना चाहिए. वी शुड बी मोर accepting is what I felt. So I went to my professors and I'm like my mentors and I was like, can I do something on this? So they were like, क्या करोगी? How would you go and how would you do case study? I like, I'll figure out. I'll take my friends. You can no worry. So I want to do something on this. So they were like, okay, give it a shot. फिर I did a lot of case studies and the case studies are like bittersweet. Like there is a taboo inside me also कि कैसे approach करना है, क्योंकि वो तो बचपन से आया है ना. तो पर eventually I visited a lot of places और with my friends कोई खुद से भी गई. I approached the transgenders in the train कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, कैसे सॉल्व हो सकता है. तो मेरे को बहुत कुछ पता भी चला कि बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम गवर्नमेंट सॉल्व करती है या वो लोग खुद भी सॉल्व करते हैं, तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है, यही करना है, और ये सबसे अच्छा टॉपिक है, एक्सेप्टेंस इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन द सोसाइटी राइट नाउ,
Yes,
सो
yes, very
लेट्स
much
डू।
important. And कुछ चेंज लाना, इट्स वेरी अप्रिशिएबल उपासना, सीरियसली, मतलब बहुत अच्छा है ये तो, मतलब तूने अलग से जाके कुछ सोचा, एंड मेरे को तो बहुत उस दिन इतना प्राउड फील हुआ था, लाइक लिटरली, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं बीइंग फ्रेंड्स, अब हम दोनों को पता है कि हमें कितना चेंजेस लाना है कहीं ना कहीं, बिकॉज हम जब भी देखते हैं तो वी डिस्कस कि इनके साथ ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, वैसा क्यों हो रहा है, और हमने मतलब वी वांट टू ब्रिंग द चेंजेस, और फिर तूने इनिशिएटिव लिया, तो सेम आई एम द इनिशिएटिव बाय दिस शो, so that I can bring some changes by inviting people and उनका बताऊं, उनका experience बताऊं कि how they are trying their best to change, right? तो मतलब फिर वो डिजाइन
राइट।
किया तूने, वो जो किया था वहां पे विद clapping hands that will open, वो कैसे की, मतलब आइडिया कैसे आया वो डिजाइन का?
So basically what you're talking about is an installation. So
Yes.
basically all this is theory, what I just said. So practically how do I, like really make a space for them in interiors? So it was like quite a challenge. So I'll just brief you thoda sa, then I'll come to the installation. So the thing was कि एक center बनाना था जहाँ पे it would be very open to public, where they could come and interact. So the basic three points were education, employment and awareness. So education के लिए it had a small school in the center, employment के लिए it had an office, and awareness के लिए like bro, like come on, if I'm just gonna talk in a stage and say कि भाई accept करो, no one's gonna accept,
No
वो
one
बस थोड़े
wanted.
दिन के लिए रहता है. So what I thought was कि awareness के लिए what if we make a human library जहाँ पे like two people can interact and share stories the way that we are doing right now, like I am right now the teller and you are the listener, or the
Correct.
other people are the listener. So it is like that. So that is a concept of human library where you read pages, where you read people instead of pages.
Correct.
फिर उसमें का one of the key features were the clap installation. तो जैसे ही तुम वो space में enter करते हो, so there is this nice chandelier in front of you which works on sensor. तो which works on clap sensor. तो तुमको पता होगा कि clapping को ऐसे clap करने से सब जन मना करते हैं because it resembles to the transgender community. तो it's like one of the features of the.
I will interrupt you in this कि क्लैपिंग के लिए मना करते हैं, बट स्टिल इन बर्थडेज और एनी, मतलब कुछ भी अच्छा होता है, टीचर आस्क अस टू क्लैप द हैंड्स फॉर द एप्रिसिएशन. तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज बैड समवेयर, बट स्टिल मतलब अपने एंसेस्टर्स या पेरेंट्स कहीं ना कहीं हमें उन्हीं के थ्रू पता चला है, वी आर नॉट बोर्न अप विद ऑल दोस थिंग्स कि ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है, तो
Right.
सोसाइटी ने हमें ये गाइड किया, बट नाउ एज वी आर ग्रोन अप और हम देखते हैं कि दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग. तो मतलब एवरीवन शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि क्लैपिंग इजंट बैड, राइट?
Right. So what I'm saying is clapping isn't bad, but clapping in a specific way. Like this clapping isn't considered bad, but clapping like this is considered bad. So generally, like you don't clap near a transgender or something. Okay, so clapping is considered like is a mixed feeling over here. Okay. So what I thought, like, how do we do something about it? How do we normalize it basically? So I thought, why not keep an installation which lights up or which works only when you clap? So it is like an icebreaker to the other female and and male people when they meet trans people, or when they enter a space specifically for them, and it is quite an icebreaker where you make them clap. In a way, it is not like really तुमको कुछ ऐसे नुकसान नहीं होगा कि if you're just clapping. It is a very nice installation. Maybe you can put a picture over here.
Okay, this was a very nice project you did. Okay, I can appreciate here only by clapping hands, right? Clapping hands.
Thank you. Let's clap for it.
Everyone, whosoever is watching this show, please just clap the hands at that moment itself for the transgenders, or everyone. Show some humanity, guys. Just clap your hands. It doesn't. उससे कुछ पैसे नहीं लग रहे आपके बुझाने में, बुझा दो. So Upasana, besides this, any project you did like this one? Very good. I really know about this. Any other projects, because we don't have much contact when you are in Pearl, right? So I want to know more about your project. What did all
Right.
stuff you did?
So I would just like to highlight one of the other very nice projects which is very close to my heart. The project was called Firefly. So the whole idea of the project was to make sustainable and eco-friendly diyas. So if you would see in the Diwali market, तो बहुत सारे plastic के diyas होते हैं, which are not
Yes.
very safe, and plastic is not safe really. Are we kidding anyway? So we thought कि क्यों नहीं हम wood से wood as in MDF को laser cut करके we made like really nice intricate designs and we made it eco-friendly, sustainable, cheap range का ही product था वो. So and yeah, we sold it. It was a project done by my friends and I.
I didn't buy
And
it,
it
but
was
I
a
have
very fun
seen.
thing. हमने काफी कुछ learn किया.
I didn't buy it because I was not here and I am not there for your exhibition also. तुमने exhibition था, but I was not part of the.
Yeah, I'm not gonna forgive you for that anyway.
You made 3 types of diyas, right? Designs were 3 or 2.
Yeah. 3. There were 3 types of designs.
And the designs were very different and very unique. It looks so good, right? Like it defines that some designer have been made. This is not a localized. Otherwise, you know.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
हाँ, नहीं तो फिर लोकलाइट तो पता है ना, वो प्लास्टिक के बना देंगे या वैक्स से बना देंगे. वो कितने अच्छे और अमेजिंग थे. अगर दिस कमिंग दिवाली भी अगर तुम लोग कर रहे हो तो प्लीज गाइस, you can go to Upasana Pandey's Insta ID and ask her. She will definitely.
Please. We definitely are doing it this year also. We got a really nice response. One of the perks was an office reached to us and said that why don't we make diyas for their corporate gifting, and that was like a huge. It increased our sales a lot, and it was very nice. And then it was a good business. It was a good startup, and then we thought like why not do this year as well. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully COVID doesn't interrupt much and we have a smooth project this year too.
No, so I just want to tell all my audience, you can just go now. अभी से तुम लोग booking start कर दो क्योंकि वापस ये साल भी वो लोग करने.
So Neha, I just remember that there is this one very nice project that I did. I don't think that you remember. Do you know that I had made a game?
Game? I don't remember how you came up with that idea, designing a game.
So the thing was, I did a workshop. So it was the workshop was about UN sustainable goals. So we had to select one of the goals to work on. The goal that I selected was no poverty. And so we visited Dharavi and we saw like people are not really saving money. And again, as I said, awareness अगर तुम stage में करोगे तो वो इतना नहीं होता है. Awareness should always be done subconsciously. So we thought कि how about we make a game जो शुरू से ही सबको सिखाए कि how to save money. So it is like financial literacy in a very grassroots level, and our main target was Indian slums. So it is a very interactive game. So it is like it is a board game, but it's a 3D board game where you can literally flip the rows, and the rows give you new possibilities. The flipping part could be an high or it could be a low. It just shows that how uncertain life is, and then you always should have money. You always should save money so that you go through uncertainties with ease. मतलब investment करो, property हो या कुछ भी करो, but always save money. So the whole aim of the game is to save money. And that we got lucky, and we even displayed our game at TEDx. So it was like, oh,
I have seen your that post on Instagram. I think TEDx wala post, right? You were there.
Right.
उपासना कितना मतलब भी ना, मतलब तू उतना अच्छे कॉलेज में जाके भी यू आर कमिंग डिफरेंट आइडियाज, ये काफी अप्रिशिएबल है कि मतलब अलग अलग तूने सोचा. मतलब तू तो वहां पे कर ही रही थी. यू कैन थिंक ऑफ योरसेल्फ आल्सो कि मुझे क्या करना है, और तू काफी अलग अलग चीजें भी सोच सकती थी, बट फिर भी गोइंग इन दैट फील्ड तूने बारे में अलग अलग सोचा है. लाइक जेंडर, देन दिस पॉवर्टी, लाइक गेम्स जहाँ पे वो बच्चे भी खेल सके एंड दे कैन अर्न फ्रॉम दैट इज वेरी ग्रेट. उपासना पॉज हो गई क्या तुम?
Right. Yeah, we should always. No, I'm there. We should always look out for people and help them is what I really believe in.
I also want the same. That's the मतलब फिर I really want कि शो से सीखने का मेरे ग्रोथ का मतलब गाइस मेरा यही था कि आप लोग ये सब सीखो एंड आप लोग अपने रियल लाइफ में ये सब इम्प्लीमेंट करो. ग्रोथ इज दिस एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इज नए ओके. So you're getting entertainment plus growth. Upasana, what's your opinion about fashion? Right, I have mentioned in my show that this show will be about social causes, fashion blogs, and everything, and the changes in the world. So I jump into fashion. So what do you think about fashion? Is it necessary? Like उनका क्या रहता है कि attire and fashion बहुत mean करता है उनके लिए. If they are stepping out a step also from home, तो वो एकदम परफेक्टली होके जाएंगे अच्छे से. वेडिंग में जा रहे हैं तो उस हिसाब से जाएंगे, इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हैं तो दे टुक अ डिफरेंट लुक टोटली. तो ये सब तेरे लिए कुछ इतना मैटर करता है क्या? और यू जस्ट लाइक मी गो रैंडमली एनीवेयर, चली जाती है कहीं पे भी, और तू भी ऐसे लोगों के तरह अलग जगह पे अलग उससे जाना चाहिए ऐसा? मतलब व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन ऑन फैशन?
Okay. So I would say it is not wrong. Like I would also dress accordingly to a wedding and then dress accordingly to an interview. I dressed accordingly for this interview. So उस वजह से I don't like really mind dressing as per the situation. Like people should dress as per the situation. But other than that, there is like a lot of trend of fast fashion that is going on. कि like लोगों का ये stigma हो गया है that if they upload a picture on Instagram wearing a particular dress, then they should not repeat it. और फिर उसकी वजह से like बहुत सारा fast fashion हो गया जो मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि it is okay to repeat clothes.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. तो फिर ये सब देख के आजकल क्या होता है कि हमें 365 डेज में हर दिन नया नया ही कुछ तो पहनना है.
I don't know, like I really do not think much. I just believe in
That's what I am asking you कि मतलब मैं अभी नहीं सोचती हूँ.
comfort over
People think a
style.
lot. Huh? What?
I believe in comfort over style कि मतलब comfortable होना चाहिए चीजें, stylish नहीं भी हुआ तो चलेगा. I don't know, इतना mood है. Sometimes I feel like stylish होना चाहिए, comfortable नहीं भी हुआ तो चलेगा.
I know you're too moody.
Yeah, very moody.
Yeah, we are together. We are together since 8 or 9 years, right? तो इतना तो पता चल ही गया.
Right.
Moody person.
Yeah, very moody, and then I'll do things according to my mood. Sometimes I would dress up like the best in the room, and then sometimes I like. Okay,
And I really
okay,
love that
it
nature of
doesn't
yours
even
that
matter.
और मेरे को यही नेचर कहीं ना कहीं बहुत अच्छा लगता है और जिसकी वजह से we are still together. It's been a long journey and I'm waiting to be a bridesmaid soon. Get married, Upasana, please. I'm dying for it. I promise.
Really?
I promise you, I will.
Yeah, but I am. Sorry, what? You promised me?
That I will be the best photographer.
Yeah, you can be the best photographer, but I'm not looking forward. Like, as in, I have no one in mind to get married to, which is very sad. But yeah.
So last but not the least, I just want to ask you about the change. What change you want to see in the society, or what change you want to bring? Like you already made a lot of changes. I want to ask you कि और क्या changes लाना चाहती है तू?
I think, I'm not very sure. I want to change the social media mindset. Like, I don't want to change, but I want people to change their social media mindset. Like, if someone's posting something, just appreciate it. If you cannot, just keep quiet. There is no need to put out your critique for it. Like, there is no need to bash out people. Like, let everyone live their life. Like, there are many things that are happening. So, if you cannot support, तो उनको
Negativity
negative पे मत बोलो. Just
Correct.
keep, like do not spread negativity is what I would really like to change, or like tell people.
That's really a nice point, Upasana. Like, this is very important.
It is not like मतलब बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे रीजन के लिए करते हैं. Like पता नहीं उनको किसी और का गुस्सा कहीं और निकालना होता है. But maybe मत निकालो. Just keep it to yourself. Be kind.
क्या बोला लास्ट में? वो क्लियर नहीं था, वापस बोल.
Be kind. Be kind to everyone and be kind to yourself.
Question हो गया, talk show के points हो गए. Let's come to the personal life, right? So, Upasana, what do you like most, like in your life? Like cooking or studying, being creative or traveling? As much as I know, I think you are a traveler.
I would say I traveling. I like.
And you love planting. I think you treat plants as your own child.
Yeah, I do. So yeah, I would just say that I like traveling, I like gardening, and then I like making stuff, DIY.
Yes. So, can you tell me something about your trips? Because I also want to be a part of your trip by seeing your photos. I'm so jealous.
Yeah, you should not be jealous of my photos, but of my experiences that I'm collecting on the trips. But I would like really want you to come on some. I have called you, but you always said like, तेरे पास कुछ और plans है.
Guys, please check her Insta feed. That is amazing, and please do follow her page of what was the page you started of your creativity work?
I like that you do not even remember the name. It is called Old Canteen.
Old Canteen. The name is amazing. So you just go and check out that page also, Old Canteen, where she uploads all her creativity. She's a very creative person, guys. Please just go follow
Oh,
and call her for interior
okay.
designing of your house, okay? Or
Please give me projects.
she's trying for the project. If you have any project, please give her.
So as Neha asked that what do I love? So I love traveling. So it all started in college when we used to go on trips. So I'd just like to brag again of the places that I've visited. I've visited Kashmir, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Pune. I came to your place, Pune, and then
You didn't mention.
Goa, Pondicherry. You were not in Pune that time.
Oh, कल्याण की
Pondicherry,
कल्याण के
Nepal.
गांव में चल रही थी मैं उस वक्त.
Yeah, कल्याण के गांव में थे आप.
You don't tell about Nepal, your place, where your ancestors belong. By the way, guys, she's
Yeah.
a Nepali girl with a beautiful smile and Nepali eyes, which I love the most.
Yeah, it is not this beauty you don't get in India anymore. Sad.
नेपाल जाना पड़ेगा आपको.
So नेपाल जाना पड़ेगा आपको, घूमना पड़ेगा, ढूंढना पड़ेगा, तो ही मिलेगा.
Tell me about your traveling experience.
So there are a lot of traveling experience. तुमको तो बता भी होगे कुछ.
But you don't travel like a normal tourist, क्योंकि तेरे मतलब जिस तरीके से तू बताती है, जिस तरीके से you click pictures, I don't think you travel like a normal tourist. जैसे अगर हम लोग कहीं घूमने जाएंगे, तो just go there, enjoy, see everything, खाएंगे, पिएंगे, फोटो निकालेंगे और आ जाएंगे. But तू तो अपने काम की ही कुछ ना कुछ चीजें लेके था. You notice a very small things, right? कि इसका structure ऐसा क्यों है, ये ऐसा क्यों है, right?
Right.
मतलब तुम कहीं भी जाओ, तुम्हारे अंदर डिजाइनर बाहर आ ही जाता है.
Right. So everywhere that I've been going, I've been googling stuff कि क्या है यहाँ पे, क्या है, like क्या देखेंगे, इसका history क्या है. तो काफी itinerary बनाते हैं हम लोग और फिर find out करते हैं कुछ छोटे-छोटे details. We try to visit a lot of architecture places जो आपके लोग को काफी boring लगेंगी, but architecture places are very nice photo spots. You might be knowing if you follow me on Instagram. So you can take amazing pictures.
I'm telling you guys, just check her feed once. Our account is open. Just go there and check her feed. That is too amazing, and I'm so jealous that my bestie is having such a good feed. And then you can check my feed, which I am building to improve my feed. But I don't know. But
you should be jealous because you have been ignoring my trip offers since forever. Like जब भी मैं तेरे को पूछती हूँ कि can you come in this trip, तो like नहीं, मेरे को कुछ काम है, मेरा college है, मेरा ये, मेरा वो है.
I am always available on your small trips like mall shopping, cafes and all, Domino's. I'm not available, but I am there for such small. The song we dedicate to each other, right? Can we sing it together if you want?
Yeah. Okay. You started following.
For me, and nobody else.
For me, like nobody makes me feel good. That's why I like to do. I forgot it, but yeah.
That's why I like to sit next to you.
That's why
I like
to sit
next to you and hear your stories.
I know they're not true.
They are not true.
Wait.
I know they are not true.
Little things you do for me, like nobody else, makes me feel good.
For each other.
That's why I do not think I'm singing at all. I'm just.
So guys, we did a very little things for each other, and that's what brings happiness in our lives, right, Upasna?
right, exactly.
प्लीज ट्राई टू चेंज. जो भी तुम चेंज लाना चाहते हो उसको इनिशिएटिव लो. वी आर हियर टू उसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम हैं तुम्हारे साथ. कोई नहीं तो वी आर देयर टू
Right.
इनिशिएटिव. यू कैन डीएम अस बोथ ऑफ अस एनीवन. हम लोग उसके आगे काम करेंगे, देखेंगे कि कैसे वो चेंज ला सकते. वी विल वर्क ऑन दैट. तो जिसका जो भी चेंजेस लाने का रहेगा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच उपासना फॉर कमिंग. एंड it's been lovely talking with you and sharing your experiences, and thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for calling me, and I guess that I'm gonna go the way that I came in. Like I'm slowly gonna slide up the camera, and then I'm gonna go. But it was super amazing. It was super fun. It was quite nostalgia to go back to the project that I've been doing, and it was very nice catching up.
Okay.
Okay, so bye.